The man across the table says your real name, not the one on your documents, the other one, the buried one. Your pulse spikes once, then stabilizes. You don't react, you don't blink. The glass between you reflects nothing back. The room is too quiet. Ventilation hums at a steady 60 hertz. The temperature holds at 19 degrees Celsius, controlled, predictable. You say nothing because saying anything acknowledges that name still exists. You weren't recruited, you were processed. In month 1, they took your identifiers. By month 3, they replaced your speech patterns. By month 9, your handwriting no longer matched your past records. Your real name was sealed into a file you were never allowed to see again. They rebuilt you from fragments, a new birth certificate, a new education history, a new set of memories you practiced until they felt automatic. You signed once, no ceremony, just a pen, a date, and the understanding that there was no reversal. Years pass, but not in a straight line. You measure time in assignments, 6 months in one city, 14 in another. You learn routines, you wake at 6:10. You order the same coffee, sit in the same place. Repetition builds credibility. Every sentence you speak has weight, every pause is calculated. You remember everything, phone numbers, birthdays, small lies told years ago. Promotion doesn't feel like progress. It feels like exposure, more access, more scrutiny, less room for error. You're trusted more, which means you're watched more. The system is never written down. You learn it by watching who disappears. Reports are filed in precise formats. No adjectives, no assumptions, only verifiable details.